Volunteer Speedway. We got the 57F out here, and this is my Jeff May is going to be in the cockpit tonight, unless Marcus shows up, but he may not make it. But right now, it looks like Jeff's going to be piling it. All right, so we did not scale it, so be a little better because we messed with the jack bolts, and you saw in the last video when I was hanging over here and help us out. Announcer, long-winded announcers, you gotta love them. Oh wait, I was one. Classic in how many years? When was the last time you ran? Qualified 12th. We'll put the results there on the screen on the side here. So they're fastest. So tell us, how'd the car?
Totally different. It wants to roll over on the front more. Best we can do.
But we got a baseline so that we can actually.
Yeah.
But
we had a week, 2 weeks ago, and we.
For late models qualify, and we've got a long break before we get back on the track again for the feature. But
right.